Hi, welcome to PooLin's channel. This is Alan. In today's video, I will walk you through the whole threading process, step by step. Now, just follow me, let's do it. First, raise the thread stand. Turn on the two knobs on the stand. Counterclockwise to loosen. Lift the stand to the highest position. Then tighten the knobs to secure it. Next, let's take a look at the threading sequence. We have printed numbers 1 to 15 on the bottom plate of the machine thread rack, and the corresponding labels 1 to 15 are also affixed to the top thread rack. In short, just make sure your thread goes through the correct top and front guide holes based on its position. For users who just received the machine, all you need to do is connect the thread on the machine to the thread on your spoon. Now, let me show you how to do that. Simply pull this side and loose the knot gently. And then connect the new thread to the old thread. Then we can keep to pull the thread in the front side. After getting the thread through the holes on the stand, bring it through the hole in the tension knob. This white knob here is used to adjust the thread tension. Next, lift the presser plate and place the thread to the right side of it. Then, we will use the threading tool from the kit, the thin wire tool. Attach the thread to the threading tool. Remove both ends of the tube. Then use the tool to guide the thread through the tube. It takes a bit of patience, but it's not difficult. At this point, we are about 1/3 of the way through. Now, take a close look at the next steps. Lift the plate. Get the thread through, then follow the path downward. Lift the plate, pass the thread through, place it on the left side of the launch. Then, lower the plate and make sure it's seated properly. Continue downward and hook the thread through the guide. Pull the thread to the left and pass it through the guide point. Wrap it halfway around the thread brake sensor wire. Then, bring the thread down along the left side of the metal bar. Lift the corresponding plate and guide the thread through. Next, follow the groove and continue threading downward. Pass the thread through the hole on the right, then through the spring loop, and finally up through the hole on the left. Now, follow the groove upward and thread it through the take-up lever from right to left. Follow the groove downward and pass the thread through the white hole. Then, you will reach the thread clamp. Use your hand to open the clamp, then pass the thread through it. Finally, the last step. Pass the thread through the embroidery needle from front to back, then through the presser foot, and secure it in the thread holder. Alright, that's it for threading PooLin EOX today. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share it so more embroidery lovers can join the fun. See you next time. Bye.